you thought about going vegan, Carl? You know, folks who save hundreds of dollars, how happy are they, don't they? Happier than my living God.
And he doesn't have any carpet to run it up against.
Sniffs worth the bang.
Yeah.
Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Hey.
So there's one underneath it.
Hey. Oh, there it is. There it is. It's gone. Hey. Look. Where'd it go? Where did it go?
He's like, what? It smelled. Where is it? Oh, wait, what's Daddy doing?